Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there, I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning, good to be here.
Yes, good to have you back. All right, this week's question. Gary, what is the difference between state court and superior court in Georgia?
Well, it's a good question that I think some lawyers might not even know. And
That's not good.
That's right. That is not good. You're right about that. And there's some things about it that aren't different at all. So it is a little cloudy, but not really. So Superior Court is the state court. All right. It's this Georgia court, not a federal court. So it's different than federal district court.
Right.
All right. So we've got all these different courts.
Yes.
But it is the court of equity, really. It can hear any dispute. So the Superior Court judges, and we have many, they can hear divorces, they can hear land disputes, they can hear civil cases, damages cases, negligence cases, they can hear partnership dissolving. If you have a dispute over a contract, they can hear that. If you dispute your insurance coverage, they may hear that. So when there is equitable relief, all right, equitable means fair, and we have to make a decision about fairness, then they are involved. Right. And it's more complicated than that, but that's generally, I think, a pretty good, maybe one of our judges could comment and tell us if I'm wrong or not. But that's generally what it is. It's a lot more judgment is called in. Now the state court is more legal related, but any case on a tort, meaning a negligence case, a damages case, that can be heard really in Superior Court can also be heard in state court. So it's confusing because they're both state courts, but one is called Superior, one's called state. Every county does not have a state court. So the Superior Court handles felonies as well, so that kind of thing, and misdemeanors are handled in the state court. So if you get a ticket and you're fighting it and you go up there to the 11th floor of the government center, you're going to state court to deal with that generally. So it's a little bit different, but they have, if you're going in for a civil case or a car wreck kind of thing or a damages case, either court is kind of the same. So the laws apply the same.
Okay, all right. Now, we're on the border of Georgia and Alabama. Is this the same in Alabama as it is for Georgia?
It's the same but different. There's two courts. One is the circuit court and one is a district court. So district court handles more of the small claims cases. The circuit court has a bigger range of responsibility, I think, in Alabama, and kind of the same but
different names.
Different.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.